Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Shell Shockers. First, open your web browser and navigate to the game's website. Once there, you will see options to join a server and pick a game mode, such as Team Deathmatch or Free for All. After selecting these, customize your egg character and choose your preferred weapon from the available arsenal. You are now ready to enter the arena and begin your explosive adventure. Mastering the basic controls is essential for survival. Use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard to move your egg character forward, left, backward, and right, respectively. To aim your weapon, simply move your mouse around the screen. When you have an enemy egg in your sights, left-click your mouse button to fire and unleash a barrage of projectiles. Practice these movements to become more agile. Beyond the basics, some advanced tactics will improve your gameplay. Press the spacebar to jump, which is useful for dodging incoming fire or reaching higher ground. When your weapon runs out of ammunition, press the R key to reload it quickly. Keep an eye out for egg-shaped pickups scattered across the map. These will replenish your health and ammunition, keeping you in the fight longer. Shell Shockers offers several exciting game modes, each with unique objectives. In Team Deathmatch, work with your teammates to eliminate more opposing eggs than the other team. Free for All is a chaotic mode where every egg is an enemy and the last one standing wins. In Capture the Spatula, your goal is to secure and hold the spatula objective. Understand the mode to achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.